Hey everyone, it's Victor Cahiel, and I wanted to go through something today that if you're an owner of a Universal Audio product, you know what a pain it is to have to see all of the plugins that they offer in Logic and not be able to just choose the ones that you have. Well, there is a great workaround for that in Logic Pro if you go to the actual plugin manager. So this is how we go about doing it. Let's go into just an empty Logic Pro menu, and then you go here and preferences, and then you go to your plugin manager. This will pop up the plugin manager interface showing all of the different plugins that you have. Now, the nice thing about this is that you can simply go to Universal Audio here in your choices, and you'll see that I've already done what I'm about to show you how to do, and that is that here's an entire list of all of the Universal Audio plugins. You'll notice that I only have checked in blue the ones that I own. So that way, those are the only ones that show up in Logic Pro for Universal Audio. It makes it really handy to be able to go in and simply choose the ones you own and then just go from there. So that's the quick and simple method. Now, I'm going to take you to another level that you can use if you want to just kind of the ones that you own, you may have 2 or 3 or 4 that you really just use all the time. And so you want to make your list even shorter. Here's how you do this. You go to your left-hand side here and you're going to see this list of folders. If you've looked at Logic before, you've seen that for the different Apple ones, they have these already kind of in a folder format for you. If you want distortions, you can go here for all your distortions. For your dynamics, you can go here. So it's very easy then if you want to simply go to, again, Universal Audio, and let's say that I wanted to put all my 1176s that happen to be related to, of course, dynamics, and I want to see all of them, highlight all of them here, and just simply drag and drop those into the dynamics folder, and now they will show up. And so you can categorize all of your different folders, not just from Universal Audio, but let's say you have some favorites in the Waves or any other plugins you've bought, and you can put them into these subcategories here, or you can do what I did, and I created a Waves favorite folder and a Universal Audio folder, and those show up there. So when you're done organizing that how you want, just go done here, and let's say that we were creating a new session here. Okay, and now when you go to your plugins, you'll see that now I have added, if you will, to my dynamics, not only the ones from Apple, but now those UA ones that have to do with dynamics are here. Or if I go to my Waves favorite, which if I go to my regular, Logic Waves, you'll see I have just a ton of them, and going through those can be a hassle. So now by creating that subfolder, so now all I have to do is go down to what I want to use, in this case, an effects, and I can go to my Waves favorite, and then I have my 4 or 5 or 6 ones that I really like to use. So a simple and easy way to organize plugins, especially for Universal Audio, so that you don't have to see that entire list all the time that would normally show up in Logic. I hope that quick and easy hint kind of helps you out in organizing your plugins within Logic. Thanks a lot.